Today's lunch of the day is grinders. I'm doing Italian sausage grinders, and everyone was like, add pepperoni. So I said, okay, I'll add the pepperoni. That's actually going to be a great combination. I put them on hot dog rolls, again, all about simplicity. I actually have a video showing how I do sausage grinders, and I think I use different rolls. But if you want to do something quick and easy, and you have sauce, and you have the Italian sausage or the pepperonis, here you go. Quick lunch is very easy. Again, I have a video showing that, and I'll put this in the description box. The only thing I did differently was I added hot dog rolls, and yeah, I used hot dog rolls instead of, I think I used some other type of rolls in the video, but hot dog rolls, and I added pepperoni. But as far as the sauce, everything was done the same, and we like a lot of sauce. So I'm going to finish this and I will show you the results. This is not a tutorial. Again, I will put a link in the description box so you can see how I make these, okay? And that is it. Sausage pepperoni grinders, Italian sausage. I use sweet Italian sausage. That's the one I like. And of course, pepperoni grinders. That's it. Again, like I said, the video is no different than my Italian sausage grinder video. But again, we're trying to do things simple. So hot dog rolls, I'm sure most of us have those. Whatever type of spaghetti sauce, even tomato sauce, use what you have, which is what I did. Season it up to your liking. You got to doctor it up, do that. And yeah, cheese. I used Mexican blend. That's the type of cheese I had on hand, and that's what I use. And that's it. Try it. Let me know what you think, okay?